Hi, welcome to the Please Subscribe show. I'm Cole, and this is
Linda.
And we're taking out the trash. I just wanted to say my little wise, deep thoughts. Remember the deep thoughts I was saying out live?
Oh, yeah.
Deep thoughts with some guy. Anyway. Handy. His name was Handy. His name was Handy or something. Anyway. Everybody that eats will surely poop. You gotta eat and you gotta poop. That's all I wanted to say.
Right.
The other day I was heating up one of those Asiago bagels and I bit into it immediately and burnt the crap on my lip. Man, these things are pretty good. The cheese, it gets really hot on the actual bagels. So you gotta be careful. Burn yourself. Finally, we run into traffic. Just now entering the Dallas County line. There's the entire Trinity broadcast network. Looks like it's still rolling. Time for a little bit of maintenance, and then we'll be back to the speedway. This is a car wash section right here. It's kind of like behind the Kia shop. I'm assuming this is their new all-electric EV6. What does it say? For Kia. Uses this thing, this Bosch Power Express. Probably other adapters too. Looks almost kind of like a Sportage. It's pretty cool looking. It's kind of lower to the ground. Probably a 2022. Door handles are pretty cool too. Let's see where it's charging. Actually makes one of those charging things. It's pretty cool. All right. Well, I got that out of the way. Right, critter? Okay. Let's head on out of here. There's a little bit of traffic coming out of Irving. Saying I-20 southbound at pipeline for construction. Looks like we had a silver alert coming out of Humble, Texas. A sedan. That's all I got on that. Well, looks like we got one at Chick-fil-A in Keller. And there is the national renowned and famous school known as Carroll High School. That's their senior high right there. And that is Bear Creek Intermediate. Bear Creek Intermediate was my intermediate school. I believe 5th, 6th, and 7th. No, 5th and 6th, that's right. 5th and 6th grade was the ages on that school. Yep, you're welcome. So we have some geese hanging out by the political signs there. Quack, quack. Quack. There's a Kroger advertisement. Shoe and boot repair by the Williamson family right there. This looks like an eclectic place for antiques right here. God Country right there. It's called the Pecan. Home of the Indians, Keller. Well, it looks like the Cowtown Fair starts February 25th and ends March 6th. Just now entered Westlake. Hey, Westlake cows. How y'all doing? Doing pretty good? There's the hay bales. Little cow farm there, right there. I don't know why I would always think of Rome every time I deal with this right here. So I was reading about US 377. It actually now does stretch from Mexico all the way to Oklahoma City. It's pretty interesting if you look on a map. Werewolf or something on the side of the road right there. And that's from US 377 headed north, kind of by Stonecrest Road. Justice of Peace, right off Canyon Falls. The sign kind of sticks out for some reason. I believe the Justice of Peace is about right here, Denton County. Right off Stonecrest. So this little sign says Argyle Town Limit. So that's where we're going into right now. Argyle, little farm right here. After this curve right here. Okay, I think I remember these people, if I'm not mistaken. They've got like a bumpy driveway. Yeah, it looks like they got a little dog, as long as his name's not Cujo. All right. Actually, they have two dogs. There's the other dog coming in. He looks like a little older dog, though. Well, I hope they get out of the way. My goodness. All right. Let's see. Yeah, they seem pretty friendly. Okay. All right, thanks. There's another dog hanging out with the food. Thank you. You have a good one. Well, dogs, you know, do make it a little more stressful. I'm sure if you talk to mailmen, they're, you know, agree upon that. But I guess it all depends on the dog. It's a nice little property, though. It's kind of a little rustic. You have one of those fences you have to kind of manually open and close. Alright, so it's the chain here. Goes around. There we go. Nice little country drop there. Alright, so back to Roanoke. Looks like someone's preparing a political sign there. Name of TAN, T-A-N. So they're the other columns. I don't know why that reminds me of like Rome or Greece or something like that. That'll probably end up a bridge. And what a horizon. Look at the horizon. Looks like Tucker Pass is 50 years old. It started off in 1972. Looks like we got another one at Buffalo Wild Wings. There's the Speedway American flag that lights up. Oh, that didn't make any sense. Now the ones that just go through Buffalo Wild Wings are not the virtual restaurants not coming through. At least that one didn't. Or that's what they said. So that doesn't make hardly any sense at all. Because it actually says Buffalo Wild Wings on the order. Well, I'll have to wait on the order for the Buffalo, but it was placed. So I'll go ahead and take the Nukes one, which is right next door. Oh, this apparently is continuing to work. I don't know. They had the order. So, I don't know. Buffalo Wild Wings. This is actually Nukes. So, I don't know. I guess the other one's doing plays. So, I'm way out in Justin. What I'm assuming is the Buffalo Wild Wings was probably meant to be for Justin too, as well as a Nukes Eatery. So when they have to reorder it that way, you have to go all the way back to the restaurant, pick that up, and bring it all the way back, because all of this is designed around logistics. It's about point A to point B to point C. So, I mean, if that's what I have to do, but they have to have a reason why it's not coming in their system, because this was not a virtual in-store like Wild Burger. This was just Buffalo Wild Wings. This is the first time this has happened. There's got to be something going on. So I'm way out here in Dish, which is about 18 minutes from Buffalo Wild Wings. So we'll see. I'll go back and check on it. And if it's, if I have to come back here again, then I will. I mean, jobs are hard. Things don't always go perfect. This is part of it, Sometimes you have to go back and forth. Not always. I had to do it a few times. And it does bring up that stress level. Oh, look. This sign right here says cemetery. Right in Dish. Dish, Texas. Cemetery. I guess it's stating that there's a cemetery over here. I don't know. I used to think it was a city called Cemetery, but it's actually, I guess, a sign that says cemetery is this way. Anyway, I'm gonna drop this one off, run back to Buffalo Wild Wings, check on that one, and see if we can get that one delivered too. Okay, so if you watch my channel, this is I remember this one. This is the one that's right off Brahma. It's way out there. It's off like a dirt road. All right, here we go. Get past this tomfoolery. If I'm mistaken, it's the one with the light on. Dogs are barking way over there. More coyotes, God, sounds like wolves. Oh, goodness. Kind of how my energy feels right now. My energy level. Pretty weird. So my alarm went off, so the burger's definitely ready. I'm out here in, Dish, Texas. I gotta run back to North Lake and check on that. So should be okay though. Should work out. So, and just as I was pulling up, the train starts to pass. Kind of see it in the distance. You'll be able to hear it more than anything else. It's an interesting sound of train. Sound of a machine moving through the wind at a very rapid pace. It's got a rhythmic sound. Many songs have been based on the sound of a train. Let's go pick up that burger. Night train. There's the caboose. I think I once heard that you have to lose your life in order to find it. There is some sense in that, I think. Losing your own life in order to actually find it. Sometimes you lose something and then all of a sudden you find it. It's an interesting thing to say. Yeah. Shop, live, work, golf, stay, got it. Well, the order was there, so we're on farm 156. We're gonna drop it off at the doorstep. So they actually made the order, so I had to go back and forth. So it's another dirt road. This one's after, this one's the road that's right off of Swafford Road. This isn't Swafford, but the road back there is. I'm guessing it's probably that one right there. The light on. Yep. Oh, appreciate it. There are tons of coyotes out tonight. My goodness. Or wild dogs or something. All right, well, you got his Buffalo Wild Wings, and we're off back to the Speedway. I found out the name. It's actually Angus is the name of that road. I was wondering what the name of that. This one's actually Swafford right here. This one's Swafford. So I'm on Swafford, and that was Angus.